So Uber is one of the most popular ride-sharing applications that are basically out there. And you might be trying to figure out exactly how to use this particular application. Now, this is basically what the Uber app looks like. So if you're going to go through and go in straight to the Play Store, App Store, whatever, this is what the application basically looks like. So you can go through and install it. Now, when you first install it, it's going to ask you to give access to your location, set up an account. You don't need to put in any crazy personal information. You just need to put in your phone number, and you don't even really need to put in your credit card information just yet. But make sure you give it access to your location. In this case, I will not be giving it access to my location since I'm making a video on it. But here you can see that it tells you to enter a pickup location if you don't share your location from the bat. So you can go through, tap right into here, and you can basically type in your particular pickup location and or where you want to go. So that's kind of how every ride starts. At the very top, you can kind of specify exactly where you want to go through. Throughout the rest of the screen, it's going to give you more input on your previous rides and different things like that, or areas that you may have suggested to go to before. So what you can do is you can kind of start off by entering your pickup location. So in this case, I can just put in my pickup location as, I can just say like New York. So in this case, I can start off by putting in the location that I'm currently in, and then where I want to go. So in this case, let's say I wanted to go to JFK, that particular airport. Well, I can go right over here and I can specifically type in my area that I want to basically go into, and then it will tell me my ride options. So from here, I can go ahead and basically say, if I want to wait and save, that's going to be the cost. Uber X is going to be, a good sized one for the most part. That's going to be a standard Uber. If you want to do a shuttle, it'll be this price, so on and so forth. Now, Uber XL is going to be a bigger type of car if you want to drive an Uber XL or get an Uber XL for up to 6 people. And you can also share and get, there's a lot of other options you basically have here. So from here, you can then specify the ride that you want to pick. You can click choose, wait, and save, or whichever option, and then you'll basically get this ride. Now, that's kind of the core of it. It's pretty standard, nothing super crazy, but that's how you use the front side. The bottom, you have a couple different buttons. You'll have home. If you tap on services, it'll take you right into the services page. So right here, you can also basically say if you want to do a ride, if you want to do a reservation, rental cars, hotels. There's a lot of other options right here in this particular page too. So you can kind of choose this one as well if you want to go and kind of configure it a little bit further. I very rarely ever get into this page if I'm being honest with you. Then under activity, this will also tell you basically your activity in your current situation. So how often you're basically going through and getting rides, how much those rides are. You'll be able to see that under the activity tab. Under account, this will basically just be your information and what you basically have. So all your account information will basically house right here. So if you want to access your wallet, safety, inbox, all those things will basically show up right here. If you want to sign up for Uber One, you can also do that here as well. Now these tabs, you can also go and configure whichever way you want to. So under your family tab, if you want to set up an Uber family, you can go and add family members right here. Under settings, you can configure more settings, saved groups, Uber for business, all these other things you can go and kind of configure here. Under settings, you can tap within this page, this is your settings. So you can go through and you can configure out your settings a little bit more and you can kind of get more access here. If you want to switch an account or sign out of your account, you can also do that right here. So that is basically how you use the Uber application. It's pretty basic, nothing super crazy, but that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.